आप सबका नमस्कार बच्चों। आप सब कैसे हो? मैं विश्वास करती हूँ आप सब बहुत अच्छे हैं अपने घर में। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं व्यंजनों के बारे में। हमारे लास्ट वीडियो में आपने देखा होगा कि हमने का से लेके छा तक हमने पढ़ लिया था। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं जा के बारे में। जा, झा और न्या के बारे में हम आज पढ़ने वाले हैं। ठीक है, let us start with the consonant ja, jha and nya. So in our last videos we have learnt about ka. From ka we have started and then we stopped till jha. Today we will continue with jha, jha and nya. Okay, so now let's see first how to write the vyanjan ja. So for vyanjan ja, what do you have to write? For vyanjan ja we will start from downwards. Okay, so I have drawn one. See here, let's draw one curve like this. Okay, a U like. Okay, so see here, one point is here and another point is here. Two points are there. Okay, so at the left side of that curve, I am just extending it and going towards right. But see here, it is not joined. Okay, it's not joining with the right side of that curve. Okay, it is going towards right. It is coming back, then going up, coming down, finally the sleeping line. So this is the vyanjan ja. This is the vyanjan ja. So in English we call it as J A ja. J A ja. Okay. Now let's see step by step how to write the vyanjan ja. First, a curve, that is U like curve we have to draw. Then at the left side of that U, that curve, what we have to do is that it will move towards the right, it will come back like this. Okay, then just moving towards right, it is coming back, then moving up, finally moving down, then at last the sleeping line. So this is the vyanjan ja. So this is the way you have to write the vyanjan ja. Now let's see, by using the vyanjan ja, what small word we can write. So by using vyanjan ja, we can write the word jala. You can write word jala. This is the vyanjan ja and this is the vyanjan la. Okay, so ja, la, jala. Ja, la, jala. Jala means water. Okay, jala means water. Pani also we can say. Pani is a different word. Okay, so pani, jal, all comes under water. So for water we can say jal, otherwise pani also. Okay, so today we since we are studying about the vyanjan ja, so particular word which start with the vyanjan ja is jala. Okay, this word jala, it's a two-letter word. This is the vyanjan ja, this is a vyanjan la. Both are different. So ja, la, jala. Okay, now let's see the vyanjan jha. How to write the vyanjan jha? So vyanjan jha, you have to draw one straight line like this, and then this is the swar e, isn't it? Then one small difference is that one curve like line will be going towards the left side of that swar e, and that curve is joining the swar e and one straight line. Okay, finally the sleeping line. This is the vyanjan jha. This is the way you have to write the vyanjan jha. Okay, so first we have to draw the swar e. Then at the middle of it, one small curved line will be going towards left. It will be joining to a straight line, finally sleeping line. This is the vyanjan jha. So I am giving some stress to the vyanjan jha. This is a vyanjan ja. Casually we have to say, and this is a vyanjan jha. Some stress is coming. Stress is there whenever we pronounce the vyanjan jha. Okay. So in English we call it as JHA jha. JHA jha. Okay. So now let's see step by step how to write the vyanjan jha. First, straight line. Then E we have to draw. Okay. Then E, at the middle of E, one small curve like line will be going towards left, which will be joining, okay, so which will be joining to a straight line, finally the sleeping line. So this is the way you have to write the Vyanjan jha. Okay, this is the way you have to write the Vyanjan jha. Now by using the Vyanjan jha, what word I can write is that jhasha. Jhasha. Okay, see how to write the word jhasha. This is the Vyanjan jha. Okay, so Vyanjan jha. So we have to write the Vyanjan jha, and this is the Vyanjan sha. Vyanjan sha. Find the sleeping line. So this is a word jhasha. It's a 2-letter word. Jha is a Vyanjan, sha is also a Vyanjan. Okay, so jha, sha, jhasha. Jha, sha, jasha. Jasha means fish. A fish. Okay. Machali also we used to tell for fish, but jasha is another name for fish. Okay. Jha, sha, jasha. Jasha means fish. Okay. Jasha means fish. Okay. So jha se jasha. It's a 2-letter word. Jha, sha, jasha. Okay. Now let's see about the Vyanjan nya. Vyanjan nya. So now let's see how to write the Vyanjan nya. So for nya, you have to draw one curve like this, which will be towards right side. Okay, like this one. Okay, so and at the left side of it, in between this curve, in the middle of this curve, you have to draw one line like this and one straight line. So this curve and the straight line will be joining by a curve like line. Finally the sleeping line. So this is the way you have to write the Vyanjan nya. This is the Vyanjan nya. Okay. So English we call it as N-Y-A. Nya. N-Y-A. Nya. Okay. Now let's see step by step how to write the Vyanjan nya. First, one curve like this. So in between, that is in middle of it, one small line will be going towards left, which will be joining towards a straight line, following a sleeping line. So this is the Vyanjan nya. And one particular is that there is no word which starts with the Vyanjan nya. Okay, similarly as Vyanjan nga also we have learned that not any particular word is there which starts with nga. Isn't it? Similarly for nya also there is no particular word which starts with the Vyanjan nya. Okay, so what and all we have learned? हमने आज क्या क्या पढ़े? That is what and all we learned is that jha, jha and nya. Ja, jha, nya. Ja, jha, nya. Okay, so ja se jal we learned, then jha se jhasha, and then nya se there is no any particular word. Okay, so thank you very much for children. So till now we have learned about 10 Vyanjan. Okay, that is ka, from ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, 5. Then cha, cha, ja, jha, nya, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10 consonants we have learned. Thank you so much.